Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve WhatsApp message problem. When try to message on WhatsApp show this problem, you cannot send message to this account because it is no longer active problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold WhatsApp, click on app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, go to Play Store, click on search bar and search WhatsApp. Update WhatsApp app if available on Play Store or App Store. Go to WhatsApp and click on message the new account. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.